DermaGen Anti-Wrinkle Patches with Hydrocolloid Gel. I used to love this product. The crescents are okay, but I feel somewhat disappointed that DermaGen did away with the full coverage forehead patches. Please bring them back. Which pretty cure? Wrinkle smartphone. Which pretty cure? Wrinkle smartphone. Wrinkle Remove Machine 360 auto-rotated RF radio. Most give it a couple of months. It has really helped with my sagging neck. Common good linen water, reduces wrinkles and refreshes. The eco-friendly linen water can be used to infuse clothes, bed linen, furnishing and towels with a delicate essential oil fragrance. This multifaceted product can also be lightly sprayed onto clothing to reduce wrinkles and refresh, or spritzed in your dryer, wardrobe, or in your steam iron. All of the non-toxic cleaning products are formulated with gentle, plant-based ingredients which are Leaping Bunny certified and safe for kids, pets and the environment. Made in the USA. Avalon Organics Wrinkle Therapy Coke 10 Cleansing Milk, 8.50 ounces. Avalon Organics Wrinkle Therapy Cleansing Milk, 8.5 fluid ounce. Wrinkle Therapy with Coke 10 and Rosehip, 4 lines and wrinkles. This cleansing milk contains soap-free, botanical cleansers that gently lift away grime without drying or stripping skin. As skin ages and its cellular metabolism slows, collagen and elastin production gradually deteriorates, causing wrinkles and sagging. This slowed metabolism is due in part to a decline in the skin's natural levels of coenzyme Q10 and other energy sources. Studies show that supplementing the skin's natural CoQ10 production can help reverse and prevent these visible signs of aging. Wrinkle therapy features a carefully selected blend of powerful natural wrinkle fighters. CoQ10 will boost skin energy levels to encourage regrowth of collagen and elastin. Rosehip oil, high in potent antioxidants, provides intense free radical defense and promotes healthy skin rejuvenation. Hyaluronic acid helps skin attract and retain moisture, resulting in a dewy, resilient, and smoother surface texture. When skin is re-energized and its natural defenses are reinforced, it becomes firmer and more elastic, the appearance of lines and wrinkles fade and its overall complexion appears more youthful and healthy. Avalon Organics is grounded in the knowledge that all beauty begins within the earth. Guided by the wisdom of nature, each product is thoughtfully crafted for optimal effectiveness while meeting a strict organic standard. Formulas contain carefully selected botanicals that are nurtured by the elements, then tenderly harvested to nourish the body from the outside in. Deep-rooted beauty is at the heart of the Avalon Organics guiding principles, ensuring that every product reflects a deep reverence for the planet and all it provides and contributes in its own small way to a holistic lifestyle of health, wellness, and sustainability. Alpha Hydroxysulfonyl Soothing Anti-Wrinkle 1.6 ounces. Renew your skin with anti-wrinkle sulfonyl. Now you can enjoy velvety soft skin by using alpha hydrox 12% glycolic sulfonyl. It can reduce fine lines and wrinkles and therefore soften and restore your skin. It contains 12% glycolic to make your skin more radiant, offer improved texture and elasticity. Bellini Dermapad Anti-Wrinkle Reusable Chest Pad. The very first time I used this product I saw results. I'm a side sleeper and wore it all night. I did moisten the area a bit with water before applying. It stayed in place all night, was not at all uncomfortable, and in the morning, the wrinkles were simply not there. I cannot recommend this product more for side sleepers who would like to alleviate the associated chest wrinkles. I love it and will continue to use it every night. Thank you for solving a problem I thought there was no solution for.